And say look like Masicka afraid of Kartel, and me agree.
Do you agree with that?
Of course.
Brother, if you agree with that,
Me agree.
I will stop right there for a second. If you notice Masicka track record, Zin, Masicka always a sing gun lyrics from ever since. Now, me wouldn't want to say, yo, him afraid of Kartel. Masicka is a man where...
Most remember 60 what I used to say. When I come with us at a different number. Look a boy. Show 6 bars there, GL.
To man now left big England. Come a Jamaica and go there with a man in a prison and have a plan. You see, any day Vybz.
They love the rascal. Alkaline a virgin, man. You understand me? Yeah. Alkaline, you need some pumps in your life. You understand? So you're so miserable and grumpy, you know, bro. You did it, kick up the whole of the ass.
Anya, representing for all the beautiful ladies. You're the one for me, and I'm the one for you.
Yo nation, what going about Adrian back in the building with another episode. But before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Watch the video, you already know. Nation, before we go anywhere, don't forget to go check out Anya on YouTube, newly released single. I'm the one for you. Go check it out. Bad artist. Nation, we can see where a bag of things going on in the dancehall. No, we can see where the likes of Malidan and Grim YG came out since the 6 bars been locked up. So Grim YG I say a lot of people switch up on 6 bars. You see me I say cause included Real Dog, you see me? Cause a lot of people I say included Blamdem. I say yo Real Dog snitched on 6 bars to free himself from film case. You see me I say cause 6 bars. Feds are what 6 bars from the Real Dog shooting incident with Joe. Now we can see where a lot of people come out and I say Real Dog snitched on 6 bars, included Blamdem. Now we are gonna take a listen to what Grim YG is saying, and then we look into the Malidan situation where Malidan must hear this chronicler in a sense of way where they start going back and forth on Instagram post story. Let's take a listen.
Squash gonna jail, be a ganja, say him not go come back. Enough boy me think real gang go shake, gang go turn rat. Feds get information pon the J.O. ya think chat. Pila talk with gal on a sprat. Informer fi get gunshot. Post on a fake dog. No never real don't take. Gang go tell lie pon the J dog. Farmer go dead like straight dog. Enough of them a chat on me ear back. But 6 can broke queen me back. Millions a push out account and stay so. Benjamin Franklin Pona and Shearer and stay so.
Most remember 60 what I used to say. When I come with us at a different number. Look a boy. Show 6 bars there, GL must see everybody a switch. But 6 bars soon forward about Buckler Road. And I bump some out there that go bumps in a real life. So watch ya. Play the bump Buckler song ya.
Kill me, brother.
I want to some drum more. This is some 6 and 9 right now. 46 bars. Sucking on mama. When they no money in a real life, boy. When they no properties, boy. Hey, boy. What boss went for?
Now nation, we can see where Blamdem came out and I burn a fire upon Real Dog, and I say Real Dog snitch and squash. Let's take a listen.
So listen to me. And he tells the Cam Hospital, any you take him up and Cam Hospital and him dead, you got prison. Because them all say you kill him. Because you should take him up. A ambulance if you can't take him up. Because you're not fit to cry through if you take him up. So Real Dog, we need to know what we're going to that. And we need to know what we're going to squash. Because remember, no matter how we bring down squash, no matter if we bring down squash, no matter me probably not like him, but other people love him. So if people want to know what going for artists, because artists build album about you out. Remember artists put in an album about you out, you know. Say Joe Man dead, you know, and him get the blame, you know. And you come back and you come live, you say you get the blame. But Squash say him get the blame. I know you get the blame because you don't go in a prison. That obviously Squash get the blame for true. Because see them, the police are watching him there, and police lock him up. So we're like gonna keep court case for that. Alright, friend that. Cause suck out them mother, we don't want to hear no court case from you.
Nation, I want to tell me what you think about this situation, cause for Squash right now in a real look so good, and also for real dog, cause they make a real dog. So Nation, we can see where a lot of people are talking about the Sidem situation from the other day when Sidem I try to get Vybz Kartel phone and I try force him to send some things. You see me I say, other people are saying no look good cause how come Sidem fear run up on Vybz Kartel like that and all them thing there. No, some people are say I just see anti-Gaza fans I say them thing there. You see me I say cause a lot of people don't like Vybz Kartel and a lot of people don't want Sidem and Vybz Kartel relationship to flourish. Nation, now we can see where our brother come out and blaze a lot of fire upon Sidem and Vybz Kartel, and I say Sidem might be the one for destroy Vybz Kartel life in a sense of way.
To man now left big England. Come to Jamaica and go there with a man in a prison and have a plan. You see, any day Vybz Kartel put on a ring there, me I tell you, say, he go find no one I knows. It's a divorce. And you see, any get that divorce there, you see them a divorce there, he go and get a pill. You see, look at them when I promote all over the world, street vibes rum, I think go get the pill in now.
Oh, Nation, I tell me what you think about that. Me totally disagree with this guy, and we rebuke this in the name of Jesus. You know what I mean? Now, Nation, we can say where two brothers speak on a podcast about the Vybz Kartel and the Masicka situation, and one of them I say, yo, Masicka afraid of Vybz Kartel, and we can see where the other disagree with that. Me also disagree with the Masicka afraid of Vybz Kartel talkings, cause Masicka no need for war Vybz Kartel none at all, because we mentioned in a previous episode, say, yo, listen.
Man say look like Masicka afraid of Kartel, and me agree.
Do you agree with that?
Of course.
Brother, if you agree with that.
Me agree.
Now we'll stop right there for a second. If you notice Masicka track record, Zane, Masicka always a sing gun lyrics from ever since. Now, me wouldn't want to say, yo, him afraid of Kartel. Masicka is a man where always just stay out and mix up. Even though him sing all of the bad song them and the gun song them and them something, is a man who ride smooth from ever since, bro. You never hear them Monday, you don't know mix up until now, basically when nothing call him name. So, me wouldn't say Masicka afraid of Kartel. It's just that the man knows, say, yo, he not really want for, you know, in the drama thing, bro. So me feel like that him a prevent.
Alright, watch out. Me know Masicka. Me watch a lot of Masicka interviews. Enough time man talk about Masicka. Enough time man style Masicka. You know what Masicka always say? Him no follow the noise of certain things. So why him pick up this with nothing? You
know why?
Why?
Because remember, you know, him just dep on a show with Kartel. In a something there, you know that.
Atlanta. One of them.
Yeah, him just dep on a show. You see me, him always a big up Kartel. Now, the reason why him pick it up, dog, is because it seems like Nuffy has spread propaganda and the man a try cut that down for sure and say, yo, nothing no go so. So Nuffy come out now and a spread propaganda and false information, dog, and I like him and set up the thing. So that's why Masicka come out to make it clear.
So why Masicka answer Mad Sus and Nuffy?
Because the man on a beat, man, youth.
If feel like Masicka genuinely want to say something about Kartel or say something to Kartel, that's how me feel.
You feel like he have no animosity because Kartel...
Vybz Kartel give Masicka him #1 hit song for go a road internationally, and from that Masicka never slow down, no breaks. You see me I say, I mean, I think Masicka would have going alright, man, say I go war of likes of Vybz Kartel. You see me I say, Masicka and Alkaline, Masicka and Tamily and Popcorn and them youth they appear. Masicka and them youth they figure war lyrically right now before you can think about taking a Vybz Kartel. But I don't tell me one thing, Nation, but we are gonna take a listen to what go on.
Dad, I don't know if I'm me alone, you know, dog, but Johnny or you, I have to say it, dog. I watch the man live, Zane, and just the man body language and the way how him talk, dog, sound real fucking shaky, dog. Dog, you know, hear the man voice, and me alone see it, dog.
No, dog, I just say, man, that to do,
dog.
You can't judge a man by them demeanor, bro. No, so
if you see a swim around, you can tell a swim around. It look like the man up on the borderline. But to me, it look like him across it.
So why would you say that?
Dog, you know, watch the man when man comes in and I respond to Masicka when Masicka say him is a cokehead. And him a go on and him a carry on, but just listen to the man, dog. The man look like him up on the borderline and him slide off more over the border.
I don't think so, dog. Let me tell you this. You see people who you see act certain way, bro. People like them, they are dangerous people.
You know if it's a danger, because guess what? We know say them man they go on with things to cartel.
No, but look at that.
So that
you
is
see,
not really
so I mean,
when
you
you
say,
pinpoint.
No, where you pinpoint is remember say man do 13 years of prison, you know,
yeah, that's why me kinda
watch this.
Remember that?
Watch out.
Alright, before you go no further, Chucks. Remember, I know me alone say it, it's been out there.
No man, people
saying,
people are gonna say everybody
a cartel undercover man, as all them say.
Dog, everybody have an opinion.
Alright. Remember Sir P up on the case wicked and I talk about it. And one of the times Sir P show one video with Madsus hand up and cartel run a back a ray. I mean I say yo, in truth and in fact the man and no need for that so when cartel a perform.
Nation, tell me your thoughts on that. If Madsus go cross the borderline, me don't believe that. Me disagree with that. You see me I say? Because as my brother say, a lot of people will act like that or act in a certain way, a weird way, are some dangerous people, and me can't tell that because a lot of people hide pain and being smiley about pain. You see me I say? We understand how the world works. We always have to try to stay positive by end idea. So we can see where the likes of Alkaline release a track called Priority. You see me I say? A lot of people are talking about the track, but on iTunes the track say it's #1, but which we understand it peaked #1. You see me I say? Because nobody now really released music at that time when Alkaline released him song on iTunes. You see me I say? It got a lot of Jamaican people hamped up Alka Vendetta fans them. You see me I say? But by end idea the track now going with nothing. It's not like it's a #1 track on nothing or iTunes or none of that. The track is just a track that peaks because at the time when it's selling. You see me I say?
That is it, this on a regular bitch. Shake and stick, bitch and sit, flick and pause and sleep and swallow dick. Have motion, girl, super dick. Circumstance, and fuck with it. Girl, you up on everything, girl, you up on everything.
We can see where a lot of people are say a track wasn't it, and a lot of Vendetta fans are say track was good. You see me I say? It wasn't that great, but it was a good track. Me, when me listen to the whole track and view everything while I go on, the track's alright. It's not one of Alkaline bangers. It's not a banger. It's not gonna be a banger. You see me I say? But a lot of people are say something really wrong with Alkaline because him really not putting out no bangers from the other day, which we can say where Alkaline Vendetta female fans them come out and I say, yo, Alkaline need to get some females around him and thing, cause them not really say Alkaline with no females and them feel like say Alkaline need a female around him so him can do more better with the track them and release better songs. You see me I say? Cause they know all the other artists them numbers and release tracks is crazy, you know what I mean? So we are gonna take a listen to what the Vendetta female have to say about Alkaline. Let's take a listen.
They do laugh to rascal. Alkaline a virgin, man. You understand me? Yeah. Alkaline, you need some pumps in your life. You understand? So you're so miserable and grumpy, you know, bro. You did you kick up the whole of the island in your back, bro. You're somebody who was so successful, you're grumpy bad. You see popcorn and skilly bang, everybody enjoy them life and have one bag of girl and them something like that. You not do nothing than just dead at things, so you're too famous to get girl. You're ding-a-ling-a-ling. You know? You feel like you're too famous to sleep with some girl. You're too high, bro. Brother, go get some pumps, man, and take out some of the oil out of your back, man. Cause you see when you have youth, where have depend them the status, then you don't have no youth. I wonder if you know how your son in the interview when the man asks you if you have any kids. You understand me? When we have depend your status and your level, you're supposed to have youth. You don't have no relationship, that's why you can't find an inspiration. Go in some relationship, man, and make some girl mash up head and you mash up some girl head. Fall in love and them thing and get experience. Stop things so proud, bro. You understand me? And get rid of the oil out of your back, man. How much oil in your back, you know, so you're grumpy and you're full of money. Nobody will have money, son. I'm so grumpy, man, youth. So just stop on priority. You can't find nothing else. You understand me? Brother, do it, man. Just do it like Nike, not like Reebok. See, lose your virginity, man. Bust have some juice, bro. You think about bust have juice and bag of thing, and you not plant one seed. You're mad. You're supposed to run you down, but you're too proud. You say, yo, you know, girl, I can't get my dick right now, cause me name Alkaline. No, bro. All the way a human being. You just have money. Sleep with some girl, man. What if a girl? And you get inspiration for right bad girl song, right? Me just figure it out, bro. Only man when I get no pumps back, sorry. Brother, lose your virginity, man. You not get no pumps, bro. Yo, when him fans them see this story, them are gonna murder me. Them are gonna murder me, you know. I know I'm not telling a lie. Why am I telling you one? Funny or fuck. Do what I say if you do, yeah? Coming from a female. Okay? Coming from a woman with experience. Have some relationship, okay, bro? Stop going like say. Give it away.
Oh, Nation, not want to think about this. You see me, I say. She said, give it away to Alka. But anyways, Nation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bell on. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Watch the video. You see me, I say. Until next time, we out.
You're the one for me, and I wanna be with you. First time I saw you, you caught my attention. I could not